Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn. Let's read three explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English in specific communicated situations within the Hangul. Recuperemos información explícita en los textos orales que escuchamos en inglés en situaciones comunicativas específicas con los animales de la jungla. Performance indicator. Read free explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English in specific communicated situations within the Hangul through image analysis. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a recuperar información explícita en los textos orales que escuchamos en inglés, en situaciones comunicativas específicas con los animales de la jungla a través del análisis de imágenes. Desarrollo de la evaluación internacional de la Universidad de Cambridge 2020, fase 1. Press Start Test A1. Listening. From 22nd to 26th June.
Part 4. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
There's a lot of fruit in this picture. Is it a shop?
Yes, it is. Can you see the pineapple on the clock?
The pineapple on the clock? Oh, yes. Can I color it yellow, please?
Yes, you can.
Can you see the yellow pineapple? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
Can you color the pineapple in the box now?
The pineapple in the box?
That's right. Color it green, please.
Okay. I love that color. There.
Two.
Now, find the pineapple under the lemons.
Under the lemons?
Yes. Color that pineapple purple.
Okay. I'm doing that now.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Three.
There's a picture of a pineapple on the computer, too. Look.
On the computer? Oh, yes.
Can I color that pineapple orange?
Yes, you can. That's great.
Four.
And I know. Can you see the pineapple between the two watermelons?
The one between the watermelons? Yes, I can.
Good. Color that pineapple blue.
Okay, that's funny.
Five.
And can you color this pineapple now?
Which pineapple? The one on the board?
Yes, the pineapple on the board. Color it red.
Okay, I'm coloring that one now.
Very good. Thanks.
Thank you, my students. See you the next class. Peace and good. God bless you. Bye-bye.